Ever tried to clone a stunning website using Cursor or ChatGPT only to end up with something that looks nothing like the original? The problem isn't the AI, it's how you're using it. Today, I'm going to show you two practical ways to create stunning, professional websites with AI that actually look like the ones you want to clone. Picture this. You're browsing the web and you come across a website that takes your breath away. You think, I wish my website looked like this. With design cloning, you can turn that wish into reality. Here's how. Start by finding a website you want to clone. For this example, let's use this website I found on a blog. Open the website in your browser and take a full page screenshot. On most browsers, you can do this by opening the developer tools with F12, then pressing Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on Mac to open the command palette. Type screenshot and select Capture Full-Size Screenshot. This will save the entire web page as an image. Next, head over to Gemini. Turn on the Canvas feature and upload the screenshot you just took so it can analyze it. Use a prompt like, analyze this image and recreate the design exactly as shown in React. This instructs the AI to generate the code needed to replicate the design. Once the AI has generated the code, head into Cursor and ask it to make a Next.js app. You're also going to ask it to give you the file structure of the app it just created. It'll give you that file structure. Then you take that structure and paste it into Gemini. Then paste the following prompt, which I'll leave in the description as well. This prompt instructs Gemini to transfer the code into a Next.js app using markers, which means splitting up the code, then generating a terminal script that reads these markers and inserts the code into your app. So you don't need Cursor to break it down. It all happens here in Gemini. The AI provides you with a bash script. Upon opening it, you'll find the script along with usage instructions. The initial code is saved as generated.tsx as instructed. Next, duplicate the script and save it under the name integrate.sh. Following this, execute two commands. First to make the script executable and then to run it. This process integrates the entire application into your source directory, automatically organizing it into components. Subsequently, launch the server. Your application will be operational, mirroring the original site's interface precisely. At this stage, you're free to incorporate your backend into this application if desired. The first method showed you how to clone an existing website's live design. Now imagine you already have a design, maybe a sleek developer portfolio you created or found on Figma, and you want to instantly transform that static design into a fully functioning website. No messy code, no guesswork, just your beautiful design brought to life. Let me show you how, step by step. First, open your portfolio design inside Figma. Next, open the Builder plugin from the Plugins menu. If you don't have it installed yet, go to the Figma community and install the Builder plugin now. Once the plugin is open, click on the frame you want to export. Then, find and click the Export to Code plugin inside the Builder plugin. This sends your design to Builder's system to start building the code. When the export finishes, click the Open in Lovable button. This will open Lovable in your browser, where your design becomes a live web app. As you can see, the website doesn't perfectly match the original design yet, and that's totally normal. To fix this, just type a simple prompt. I need this to match the Figma design. Everything should be aligned, centered, and clean. Lovable will then refine the styles, aligning and centering all elements to create a polished, consistent look. Once it's done, refresh your site, and your portfolio will look exactly like your Figma design, crisp and flawless.
If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment to show off what you're building. Can't wait to see you in the next one.